There are 300 students on campus before 8 a.m. 1/3 of the students are in athletics. 1/4 of the students are in band or choir. 1/10 of the students are going to tutoring. So how many students are left to go into the cafeteria before school? When we're working with fractions, of means multiply. Of means multiply. So we're going to take our fraction and multiply by our total. So that's going to give us 300 over 3, or 100 students that go into athletics. Then we have 1/4 of the students, so 1/4 of all of the students gives us 300 out of 4. When we divide that, 4 goes into 300. 4 goes into 30 7 times. That's 28. With 20 left over, gives us 5. So that's 75 kids in band or choir in the morning coming into school. And then we have 1/10 of the kids going to tutoring. So 1/10 times the kids gives us 300 over 10, gives us 30 kids going to tutoring. 30. So we're going to add those up. So we have 100 plus 75 plus 30 altogether gives us 205 kids that have somewhere to be. If we want to know how many are left, that means we're going to subtract. So we take the 300 kids and subtract the 205 kids that have somewhere to be. That means that 95 students are going to the cafeteria. B.